This is one of the things I kind of wanted to say for last because money matters in a situation, in an SHFT situation. And I wanted to kind of highlight um, this one here. All is safely gathered in family home storage basic recipes. So they have a family home storage online product list. And basically for all the products that they sell, and like I said, this is very reasonable for like a family to get. They also have recipes for making bread and different things in here. Very good, like I said, a very good uh, go-to for preparation, to get ideas, and also to buy food storage items. Like I said, I showed before some of the food storage items up there. But the main thing I want to emphasize is basically the first thing you want to do is make sure your heart is right. You know, don't hold any malice or any um, things in your heart. Just you know, say your Our Father prayers. That's the first thing you need to be. You want to be right, have your soul, have your mind, and your just have yourself right with your Creator, whomever you want to call upon. And that's the first thing. The second thing is that's most valuable is food. Food is valuable, more valuable than money. So if you can have food, storage, great. That's good. That's a good thing to do. Don't let anybody fool you, because then you can sometimes if you have enough food stored up, you might be able to offer somebody else, or in exchange for somebody who might have some precious metal or something like that, they can exchange food with you, for exchange that for food is what I'm trying to say. And there are other things that you need to have in your storage is something like a generator, or a something that they have generators. Also, I have a generator, one that has a dual. It uses dual fuel, so when it uses the gas as well as it uses um, it electric or power. It's powered by gas as well as two types of gas. One is the propane gas, as well as the gas that you operate your automobile with. So you want to have a little bit of gas on the side, on the side. Have some gas on the side. Also some oil for your gas for your machines and so forth that you might have. So that's another important thing to put in your storage items. Okay, back to what I was saying about the Church of the Latter-day Saints, where this company, they pretty much put together some basic ideas that everyone in a household might need to refer to. And basically, I think the general outline of what they promote is pretty good that you can use. For example, you have to have your money set aside for different things that you use it for. And one of the great things I'm thinking what they're promoting is avoid debt, use a budget, and build a reserve. And you teach your family members these things. So these are some of the things that I'm sure we all can improve in our lives, and just kind of promote moving forward. I know I made mistakes with money that I kind of wish I would have made certain choices earlier on. But because you're not being taught, or you're not prepared for these things, you all of a sudden hit with something, and then you can't, you just don't know what to do. But this is what this video is all about: is preparing yourself in hard times. And you need to be concerned about finances. So we got to get back to learning finances. Okay, some of the things that holds its value: silver, gold, precious metals, or any kind of precious metals. Like I said, you could probably get some copper. Copper right now is selling for a low price, and anybody probably can get some copper and just have a lot of copper. That is a precious metal as well as any of these others. And also, what other things that hold its value is land. Think about land. You know,